Hi, I'm Aranza and this is Wyeth. Today we're here to talk about Honest Kitchen's whole grain recipe of chicken and some of their other flavors that they offer. It's a dehydrated food that Wyeth and I both like. Currently, Wyeth is eating the whole grain chicken recipe. They have small cups so you can test it out with your dog or cat to see if they like it. They have their larger boxes. Their biggest is a 10-pound box. Once rehydrated, it gives about 40 pounds worth of food. So the great thing is, it's such a flexible food. You can mix it with your dog's kibble if you want. They have recipes where you can add it in as toppers, or you can mix it in if you already prepare your dog's food from home. You can just add in their missing vegetables or whatever kind of protein you want with it. For us, we just give him the straight dehydration. It's about 1 to 2 cups for him, depending on what our activity is going to be for the day. One of the reasons that we like Honest Kitchen is because of their ingredients. They're pretty strict on a variety of everything from sourcing to the kind of food and the way that they prepare it. So all their food is at an FDA health food level. So that means that it's prepared in a kitchen that other human foods are prepared in, like cereals, desserts. There's no additives, no preservatives, nothing that could cause an upset stomach to your dog that may already have its own health issues, or in general, you're just giving your dog the best quality ingredients. Along with what they do, their dehydration isn't in a patty form, it's in a powder form, which is great for Wyatt and I's lifestyle because we do a lot of camping and backpacking. So in his doggy backpack, all I have to do is put it in a lunch bag and it goes into his pouch. Nothing bulky like kibble, no cans that I have to carry around and worry about where I'm gonna recycle it. It's all environmentally friendly for us and for him. That's why we love it. Give it a try and let us know what you think. See you guys later.